Hey guys, welcome back to Simple Happy Zen. It's Vera, and for this video today I thought I would do something different and show you what I eat in a day. Since I always enjoy watching these videos for inspiration, I thought it'd be fun to make one myself. I eat very differently every day, so for this video I recorded everything that I ate yesterday, and that's probably very different from what I'm having today or tomorrow. I didn't leave anything out. My diet is very easy and simple and down to earth. I don't really like those complicated meals that take hours of planning. So let me know what you think in the comments. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it. I really appreciate it. And let's begin. So I started my day with a bowl of oatmeal, and I make it differently every time depending on what's in my kitchen, and also a glass of water, which is what I try to start every day with, but I still forget about half the days. Give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, so slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. During the morning, I had a few more glasses of water and some tea. This was green tea. And then at 11 a.m. I had a snack, and it's called ontbijtkoek. It is a typical Dutch thing. It literally translates to breakfast cake, but it's not cake, and we don't have it for breakfast either. It's kind of like gingerbread. It's really spicy. It has cinnamon and nutmeg, those kinds of spices, and it's super delicious. I don't have this too often because it does have some sugar, but every once in a while I really like it, and I have it with vegan margarine. Then at 1:30 I had my lunch, and I made a super delicious spicy hummus sandwich. We Dutch people really love our bread, and that's what I had today as well. For dinner, I had this eggplant and chickpea curry, and this is actually a recipe from Madeline Olivia. If you don't know who she is, then I highly recommend checking out her channel. She has amazing vegan recipes, and this one is just great as well. Get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest. Fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul. After dinner, I had this fennel tea and decaf coffee. And later that night, I had a snack of 2 tangerines and some nuts with raisins, and the nuts were unprocessed and unsalted. And during the evening, I also had more chamomile tea and more water. Over the course of the day, I also took my supplements. I wouldn't recommend these for everyone, but I noticed that I feel best when I take these supplements to complement my diet.
It's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be